Bitcoin power declines. Altcoins and memecoins rise to challenge. Bitcoin's dominance has slightly dipped, indicating a potential rise in altcoins. The crypto landscape has evolved, with memecoins gaining significant momentum. Bitcoin's dominance, which is an important indicator of where investors are channeling their investments, has experienced a minor decline. This follows Bitcoin's impressive performance in the first week of 2025, where it reclaimed $102,000 after a 2-week market slump. This dip in dominance could be a sign that altcoins are beginning to take center stage, with investors keen to diversify their portfolios. Is history repeating itself? Historically, a decrease in Bitcoin dominance often signifies the onset of an altcoin season. This hypothesis is currently gaining traction. Over the past week, the market has turned green, with high-cap altcoins registering double-digit gains. 4 years ago, Bitcoin began Q1 with its dominance at 72%, but within 4 months, this fell below 40% as a death cross appeared on Bitcoin's dominance chart. In response, Ethereum saw a significant increase, jumping from $737 in January to $4,183 by May. Recently, a death cross formed on Bitcoin's dominance chart for the first time in 4 years. The aftermath: BTC's market share slipped from 60% to 54% in just 2 weeks. Concurrently, Ethereum surged 30%, closing above $4,000. The rise of memecoins. While a death cross often signals an altcoin rally, it doesn't automatically mean Ethereum will lead the charge. The crypto landscape has evolved, and new contenders could rise to prominence. Interestingly, memecoins are making a significant impact, dominating the top gainers list with weekly surges of over 50%. This trend indicates that investors are seeking quick, short-term gains, particularly with Bitcoin crossing the $100,000 threshold. As Bitcoin dominance faces growing pressure from those seeking cheaper, less volatile alternatives, the focus on memecoins could become even more pronounced.